This is Trinket.io. We will begin the class by coding in these windows embedded into PLTW. However, we may move to a different service later on in the course. To begin, on the left side is your editor window. All of your code will be added here. On the right side, you have your turtle display. When you run your code, it will display in this window. Below that is the console window. Right now, you don't have to worry about the console. However, in the future, we will add text and display text here. To begin, you should run your code by pressing the play or view the result button. When you press this, you should see the turtle window pop up to the right. This code has run and is now complete. So if you add code to it, you will not see that code be run. However, if you stop the code, then run it again, the new code will show up. If you want to download your code, but you will need to submit it to Canvas, you will click the colorful Hosted by Trinket.io button. There, you will click View on Trinket.io. This will open up a new full-screen Trinket window. This can be very helpful if you're working on a large piece of code. You can do all of the same things here, such as run and edit. However, the benefit of this page is that you can click the hamburger menu icon and download your code. This will download a zip file of your code, which you can use to submit code online.